Hello, I'm Philip Marris. I'm with Ian Heptinstall. When I first met him, he was a critical chain expert who'd written a very good book about critical chain, and that's where we met. And since then, he's become an academic teaching at Birmingham University on project management.
I'm Ian Heptinstall. I'm from the UK, and I currently work as an academic teaching on a master's programme in project management.
We're going to talk about critical chain project management. So what's your take on critical chain?
Critical chain is a method for scheduling and managing execution. The estimates are acknowledged to be rough, and you don't build sort of too much precision into it. And when you execute, you use your schedule to identify issues as early as possible so you can intervene earlier. I think there are aspects of using critical chain that do help reduce the risk of certain execution problems arising, but also you can't preempt them all. Those that arise, more of them are noticed earlier when it's easier to intervene. It helps the project team do what good project teams have always done: noticed issues when they're small, intervene early, preempt problems and build continuous improvement in, and stop sort of playing games where everybody knows that an estimate is a guess, but then try and force certainty onto an uncertain world, which isn't really in the scheduling stage. It's more in the execution and the management stage of activities. When I hear people talk in the sort of critical path conventional world, there's a lot more focus on getting the plan right, if we don't hit the plan, the problem is the plan.
Yeah.
Whereas I think the critical chain world, like the TOC world more generally, is the plan needs to be good enough that sort of puts us in a state that we are able and willing to react to reality that is not predictable.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much. And will you dare to finish all your projects on time? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.